Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Bonus lockout, tag out lock, Loto Lock Tuesday video. This is the Beian Lock. My co-host of the Loto Lock Tuesday series, the Sadistic Picker. Check them out, link in the description below. Awesome Loto Lock picker. Has one of these, and they were wondering if it is guttable. Well, yes it is. Down there we have a hex screw. Right, we have a Phillips. Now, it will not let you take the key out until you close the shackle, and then you can remove the key, so it is key retaining. So let's get into it. Now this will gut the same as the Abers Brady. Similar bodies. So let's find out. I've not gutted this before. So you have to keep the key in. Get that screw out. She's out. Right, now you're left with just an empty body. Get screwed on. Oh, if you're not comfortable with that, get something else that can go down there. That one's no longer. I'm going in with this. And you're going into plastic. Now, under that plastic is a metal washer that screw goes into. So don't worry about damaging the plastic. So what you want to do is you get in there, hold it, and give it a bit of that. Okay, we're going to give it a bit more of that with a bit of tool assistance. Starting to come out. This one's been in there a long time, long time. So we're just going to have to keep going with a bit of force. Now that is a world of force. That's okay. Although she is. Remove your thingy. Okay, you've got the empty body. Parts all come out. Exactly the same as the Brady. So in here, there's that retaining screw. Sorry, I don't have my main light on. It's 3 in the morning. I saw the comment and thought I'd answer it with a video. So that's actually a screw. As you can see, this one's all rusted. As you can see, I banged the crap out of that and did not damage it at all. The plastic is pretty hardy. So now you can remove your key, slide out your lock, and gut it as per normal. think. However, see that? There's no circlip. That's interesting, isn't it? Right, let's shim it to the core. Get in, nope. Small shim. Get in. We're in at the side. Okay. Is there anything retaining that? Let's have a look. Yep. No. What's the key doing? Whoa, the key's coming out with me. Okay. There's definitely nothing retaining it. Let's turn the key again. Let's go all the way to 1, 3 o'clock. See what happens. Still not letting me put the shim in. And it only rotates to there, so it does have a limiter. So let's look again. What's going on with the bottom of that lock? Keys in, turning, turning. That's a full 180. Right, let's try again to shim it. Now we've gone 180. Yep, okay, so it looks like we need to go anti-clockwise. So you've got to go all the way round. Okay, to get that in, done. Grab a follower. Now remember your key pins are facing you there. So you'd be able to gut this through the bottom. Anyway, you got it. So there's your key pins. And all your driver pins and your springs. That's all your bits. Right. So it's a matter of gathering up all your bits, doing the head count, so it wasn't the most glamorous of gutting. Okay, so this is what we've got. This is why we had issue with getting the shim in. So what you need to be aware of with this one, you're trying to get the shim in here, right? You've got something retaining it there. There's your core limiter. So to bypass that core limiter, I had to rotate the key around to this position. It looks like we're missing half the lock. Oh, because we are missing half the lock. So I was able to get the shim in that way and was able to rotate. Just be aware, shim shim. I've never seen half a lock before, I tell you. Okay, that's interesting as this is our actuator. Our balls. Pins are still everywhere. We shall sort that out later. This video is not about the pins and springs and things. I will let Sadistic Picker tell you all about the pins. For now, just wanted to show you that it can be gutted. Thanks for watching, everyone. Check out the Sadistic Picker. We'll show you what these pins are about. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.